right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, rear all-season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.